We are facing a crisis of great magnitude as coronavirus spreads throughout the world. Quarantine, while necessary from an epidemiological point of view, affects the well being of everyone involved.
We might feel this isolation as a loss of freedom. We might also experience anxiety, boredom, frustration, and even anger, but mostly stress and uncertainty of not knowing when this is going to end.
However, we believe that these negative effects of quarantine are just a product of our mindset. What would happen if instead of letting them consume us, we start to mitigate them? In this way, we will become the active participants of our personal circumstances, and by increasing our agency, we will stop being just victims.
We must never forget that isolation is necessary to flatten the curve of infection and keep us safe, but we can also try to see it as a great opportunity for personal growth. Let's look at the bright side and turn this quarantine into a truly meaningful act of altruism upon this difficult situation.
We invite you to watch this video and reflect about your attitude towards this hard time. Reflect about your daily routine and how you can make the most of each day. Think about how you can help yourself to feel more productive, to balance work, exercise, and rest so that you can feel better.
As students, we understand how hard this process of change has been for all of you, feeling overwhelmed with tasks, modules, deadlines, and notifications. However, if you feel like this, remember to speak to your teachers so that they can help you. We all felt lost at the beginning and we all miss our friends, so it's important that we support each other.
However, also think about ways to help others and make their quarantine better. Maybe calling your grandparents to make sure they're okay, or helping your parents with chores around the house. Anything you know will make another person happy. We hope this message motivates you to have the best possible quarantine. Do not doubt reaching out to us if you have any suggestions or need anything.